She thought it was just hiccups, mild, annoying, harmless. But 48 hours later, she collapsed. The diagnosis? A deadly brainstem stroke. The brainstem controls your breathing, heartbeat, consciousness, and yes, hiccups. When a stroke hits this region, death can come swiftly. Those hiccups? They were her warning. Persistent hiccups, especially with dizziness or weakness, could mean your brain is under attack. Most ignore it until it's too late. She survived, barely. Share this. It could save someone from brushing off the only warning they'll get.